unit, batik-batik.
Okay, saluting our hardworking farmers and Fisher Folk, the backbone of our community of Sapian. Thank you so much, guys, for joining our Grand Parade sa aton opening salvo, itapistahan, itilibiyugan, Sapian 2025. Sapian Farmers and Agrarian Reform Cooperative is also joining our Grand Parade Empowering Through Agriculture, our Poblacion Sapor Co-op. Siyempre, magkaikiay para maging healthy our body and mind, our Zumba ladies, dancing with joy and energy with Zin Mike Monsanto. And of course, our Edson, dancing Zumba ladies.
And of course, approaching is the colorful, red and loud, the One Sapian Balangaw LGBTQ+ organization with their beautiful float and views.
This is a manifestation that all walks of life, joining with unity and pride, is our Balangaw. It's Sapian.
Ang tuig nga naghatag sa tubig sa aton nga telebiyugan 2025.
Together with our President, Mike Albert Amores. Of course, joining our Grand Parade, our telebiyugan 2025 is our designers group, no? Ang ilang mga models.
Yes, we have Christian Bernales.
We have also Revi Bonnie.
Chester's Collection.
By Nolita Oro. We have also Chester's Collection. By Club Innovations. And siyempre si Ronnie Andrade Pag-Pilipino. No? Okay, joining our Grand Parade is our Barangay Service Point Officers, our PSPO, joining our Telebiyugan 2025, the opening salvo with the Grand Parade.
Yes, in their blue uniform.
Sila naghatag, away na kulang ka ng blue. Yung tawaan sa blue, kapulong ang aton na opening salvo. Gano'n yung wakil na ulan.
Siyempre, partner, hindi man magpaulihin ang aton Barangay Health Workers or ang Sapian BHW Federation.
Yan, the flaming red of BHW from Barangay Agsilao, Barangay Norte, at Tatakay Sur. We have also our BHWs from Barangay Taptapan.
We also have from Barangay Binao,
Barangay Damayan,
Barangay Mahanlod,
Barangay Manina,
and Barangay Lunoy.
okay, partner, nagtatalawasan ka namin ang kamo doon. Nagpainit sa atong mga big o balahod ang mga BHW kay sila nakapula.
Yes, sila gid nagmatag sa kainit.
Igniting the spirit of unity and pride of Sapian ang ato ng mga BHWs, our social workers. Kaagapay sa masustansya ang maraming na mga
Kawason, yes.
Wow, ang mga Tagalunoy, ang BHW.
Of course.
Sa ilang mga issue.
Hindi man magpaulihi ang BHW sa Barangay Poblacion.
Yes.
So na guys, makita natin yung isang mascot nakasakay sa isang elf, no? So, isang elf. Happy Telebiyugan Festival 2025 Viva Sapian. So malawak pong siya. So mascot pala ng Palawan Pong Shop ito guys.
Filipino program, our 4 Ps of the Department of Social Workers and Development.
Ya do, take ko sukat sila pa. Dari pinyo dre.
Okay, ato ng mga parent leaders, alin sa iba't ibang kabaranggayan sa atin na banuay sa Piano, mag-join.
And of course, partners supporting local festivities, our value, business establishments, and sponsors. We have Palawan Pawn Shop.
Oo. Kasi katampino.
At pangailangan, ipalawan mo na. Palawan Pawn Shop.
Asa maninan ka mo tama oh.
Okay, joining our
May
volunteer
mascot,
mascot.
Ah,
Atot ng Palawan.
Of course, approaching
wag ato ani nagbalik siya.
Of course, once again, our ever-vigilant PNP marshals, keeping the parade smooth and secure, headed by Police Captain Christine Servo.
Alright. We'd like also to welcome ang aton Sapian National High School Maragtas performers representing the Municipality of Sapian during the Kapistahan 2025.
Yes, our Maragtas Street Dancing performers light up our streets with tradition. Of course, partner, we
So dito na tayo guys, no? Papasok na ng plaza ito. At dito magtatapos no, yung kanilang Grand Parade. So ito na yung parang beef, no? Sa starting kanina na pagsisimula. Beef contingent. Sir Ramuel, shout out to you. Maraming salamat.
We would like also to welcome our Guardians Brotherhood, a symbol of strength and unity in Guardians Brotherhood.
Of course, also approaching are the protectors of our seas, the Bagong Bantay Dagat.
Always ready to respond, our MD, RRMD.
And of course,
Siyempre, aton man nga welcome ang aton nga arcade man o bilaw that fills the street with music. Our arcade band.
of course, partners, we would like to remind everyone to please keep your valuables safe and secure.
Ma'am Jeremy Castor, Lasuna. Wala to yakong taga dito. Ma'am, may labas dyan. May labas dyan, Ma'am Jeremy. May labas, Dre. May labas.
Of course, approaching are the independent public servants, our local government unit officials and employees, headed by the Honorable and Senior
Sura asuro ha dumduman ko pupunsuga. Dumduman mo. Daw ako, honestly ma'am, daw wala ko na dumduman.
Okay, atan ba? Nagabiyon.
Pagdating ka, itong taga-dumulog ka, taga-dumulog. Atong bisita kita ma'am sa mga uga. Yung sa merkado, sa Mapusaw. Kamuto na mo to. Sorry, mas nagsalaman ko. Ma'am, thank you so much, Ma'am Jeremy, no, for the continuous support and watching my live coverage here at Telebuban Festival sa Pian.
Alright. Our barangay officials pang Barangay Tapdapan, headed by the Honorable Ignacia H. Santa.
Sir Ramuel, Sir 73, kabalikat Sebicong operatives at member responder ng Mambusaw Disaster Risk Reduction Management Office at kabruko din sa Leo Paristec Minister sa Archdiocesan Shrine and Parish of St. Catalina of Alexandria. Sir Ramuel, maraming salamat Sir 73.
We would like to request our barangay